is going on, guys? It is your boy Visual Truths 3D here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be taking you guys through how to make the Optic gaming logo. Don't mind the phase logo here, this is just the logo that I made in our previous tutorial. So first of all, what we're going to want to do is we're going to stay in object mode here. Now from here, what we're going to do is we are going to add in our image. We're going to go image, and we're going to do images as planes. Now from here, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our downloads, and we're going to find the Optic gaming thingamabob the image that we had imported from Google. Then from here, we're going to go to material preview. Obviously we know it's upside down, so what we can do is we can just click on X and then click, let's do RX 180. Perfect, just like that, RX 180. And now obviously, as you can see, we have the image laminated. Obviously we just want to make it a bit bigger, so I think about here would be perfect. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add in a cube, and we're not actually going to use the cube, we are actually just going to use one of its vertices. We're going to split the vertice like that. So now as you can see, we have our own individual vertex, because we're actually going to outline it. Outlining it is just going to be so much easier. Select everything except from this vertex. Then we are going to delete vertices, and now we have our nice individual vertex here. From here, what we're going to do is we are going to take this, we're going to scroll in to make it easier. We're going to grab to take this vertex wherever we want it. We're going to put it in the corner. You just have to scroll over, scroll in a little bit more. And then from here, what we're obviously going to do now is we are just going to, I clicked extrude to do that, guys, by the way. We're just going to outline the vertices how we want it. It doesn't have to be perfect, guys, but just remember that you want to have your lines, your curved lines, as accurate as possible. So just try to stay within the lines as much as you can. Obviously I don't want to make this tedious for you guys, so I am probably going to skip this part and then come back to you guys in a bit of a while. Anyway guys, I am back. I'm just going to show you guys the last part. As you can see, I've just outlined all of the vertices and everything, but there's only one remaining, because I just want to show you how you can connect the gaming logo and just create one whole vertex. So I outlined basically everything, but there's still a little bit remaining because I just want to show you guys what you need to do. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're obviously going to extrude up, and as you can see, we've hit a vertex here. So all we are going to do is we're going to click shift to select both. We are going to right click, click merge vertices, and at last. Then what you can do here is just scale it however you want. Just grab it and put it there. Yep, simple. Now extrude again. Obviously you want it a bit more curled, so we're going to do it more than once. Yeah, here, okay, cool. We're going to do this, select, and we are going to again merge at last. Grab it to push it inwards just a little bit. If you think you need to curve it a bit more, just remember this is your Optic gaming logo, so you do whatever you want with it. And now again, we're just going to extrude, and now what we're going to do is we're going to do this, merge at last, then bring this up like that. Perfect. And that right there is the outlined Optic gaming logo. And now obviously we know that the G is green and the O is white. So what we can do is we're going to select every single thing that we want. So first of all, we're going to select all the O's. So let's just get rid of the plane here. We don't need it anymore. Delete. And now let's go to X. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to select everything. And now from here, what we're going to do, deselect everything that you don't want. I'm going to do this off camera because again, I don't want to waste you guys time, but just deselect everything you don't want. However, what I'm going to suggest is deselect all the G's because there's less dots on G. Deselect all the dots on G. It's going to make your life a lot easier. I'm going to be back with you guys once I've done that. Alright guys, once you've selected everything you want, from here what we're just going to do is we're going to right click again and click separate by selection. And now obviously now if we go to object mode and deselect and select it again, you can see that our O and our G are two separate meshes. Simple and sweet. So now what we're going to do is what I actually meant to do is object mode, edit mode, open, fill it in. Now what we are going to do is we are going to go back to object mode, just fill it in like this. It's going to make it so much easier. Man, let me try that again. I don't know. Okay, so it's working now. Alright guys. So just fill in everything like that, and now you've got your, now you have obviously your O and your G. But once we've done, now you've edited and tweaked everything that you want. Now we select A, and from here we just extrude out. Now if we go back to object mode, now we have our optic gaming logo. Simple. Now from here what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to color code these differently. So this one is obviously going, the O is obviously going to be white. We're going to put emission, and the G is going to be, G will be green. So let's just change the base color and put it on green. There, that's it. Not too green, more limeish, like that. And that right there is, it's technically it, guys. What we can do from here though is just like what we did with the phase logo. We can add modifier. Just start with cube 2 first, and then add the wireframe. Alright, so 0.1 for the first one. Add modifier, again, add wireframe, and do 0.1 again. I don't know why I think the wireframe for the optic gaming has to be a bit thicker than the phase one. I don't know why, but that's just how it is. But anyway, you know, we'll go to this mode and we'll apply the wireframe. Now what we can do is we can obviously put the optic gaming logo, the G also to emission, and the G green. Put the strength of both of them, make the strength of both of them 2. Make the strength of this 2. And that right there, guys, let's just move everything. There, guys, is your optic gaming logo. This was a bit more difficult to build because obviously there was way more curves, and because there was two separate meshes, it was a bit hard to kind of confuzzle them together, but we got there in the end. Yeah guys, that right there is your optic gaming logo. I'm wishing you guys the rest of your day shall be blessed. Just name it now. Anyway guys, it's been your Wave Digital Troops Rudy, and I'm